afternoon, students. Myself, Chavan Kumar Tukaram. I am from Mahatma Phule AC College, Panvel. Today, we will learn writing skill topic, that is the summary writing. Look at these notes. Before that, we know that according to the format of the question paper, we have a question in question number 2B, that is summary writing, and it carries 3 marks. We have to remember some points while writing summary writing. Look at the first point. Read and reread the passage. That's the para which is already given in question number 2A, that is the unseen passage. With the help of that para, we have to develop our summary writing. So first of all, you have to read and reread the passage. The second point is about summary writing is understand the content of the passage. Generally, after 1-2 reading, you will easily understand about that para. You can easily understand the content of that given passage. So it's my advice to all of you that you should read at least 2 times of that given para, which is in question number 2A. Then read the instruction and hints. In that question, when we actually see that question in question paper, in question number 2B, there are some instruction which is already given. There are some hints or key words, and with the help of that keywords, we have to develop our summary writing answer. So you just read the instruction and hints which is in your question paper. Then number 4 point is find exactly what you need to summarize. So it's very important that when you actually read that the given para, and when you understand the content of that passage, you just find exactly what you need to summarize. You just easily understand when you actually read, and after you are reading, you just identify the main idea. So it's there are number of students, they don't achieve good marks in this section or in this question, but it's a very easy question. What we actually do, we have to read that given para, and after that we have to identify the main idea, and that you have to form short sentences on your own. So it's very important. Don't write that given para, that is in which you have in question number 2A. Don't make copy paste. So you just try to construct simple sentences, or you should form short sentences of your own. When you actually understand about that the given para, when you actually identify the main idea, you try to construct some simple sentences, try to form short sentences of your own. But remember one thing, that whatever you write, it must be grammatically correct, otherwise you will not get marks. Number 7 point is that connect the sentences using linkers. You know that what is mean by linkers? That linkers, can say that it is a conjunction, and, or, but. These are the words which, these are the linkers. We can connect 2 sentences. That's called the linkers, and, or, but. So while writing the answer of summary writing, you just use that thing, that is you should use linkers words. Keep ideas. Next point is keep only key ideas. So you have to concentrate on that the main idea, and you have to write the key ideas in your summary writing. So that is why what you actually do, You should omit details, examples, and statistical information. It means that you should remove all such kind of unnecessary information. And most important thing is that avoid your own interpretation. You don't express your own thought in your summary writing. You have to write that summary with the help of that given para, which is already given in question number 2a. So these are the important things. If you follow all such kinds of things, definitely you will get marks in exam. So look at that 9 points: omit details, example, statistical information. That is, it means that sometime that in that given para that there are some quotations, examples. So we have to avoid all such kinds of things. Try to focus on that main idea, key ideas, and with the help of linkers, you try to form short sentences, and you can easily develop your answer. So, in actually, if that given para, which is in 21 lines, then your ideal summary, it should be in 7 lines. Okay, so it's a 1/3. So we have to remember all such kinds of important things. Look at the next point: steps of summary writing. So I have already told you that, but we just look at that things very fastly. Read the article twice, which I already told you. Then next step is ask question about the purpose of writing. Why you write that summary? Then identify the main idea. Then write the first draft. Number 5th point is revise your first draft and edit it. And number 6th point is write the final draft. So all such kinds of things which we have to remember. So this is your rough draft, and after that your rough draft you should write your final answer. So before writing the answer of summary writing, you have to follow such kinds of things. Okay, it will be definitely beneficial to you. So next point, how to learn summary writing. So look at summary writing is a writing skill. It needs practice. Take small passage initially, read it carefully, calculate the words. That we know that I have already told you that it is a one kind of skill. We know that what is meant by summary. So summary means we can say that we just make a short para with the help of that given para. So it's very important what you actually understand from that given para, which is already given to you in question number 2a, that is in unseen passage. So it is a one kind of skill, that how you understand and how you present yourself through your writing. It's very important. So that is why you have to follow that thing, that take a small passage initially. First of all, you read it carefully, then calculate the words. Generally, when we actually see that the given para, then we just come to know that how many lines in that given para. So remember that thing, that sometime we should calculate the words also. Try to reduce each sentence without losing its sense. It's very important. Number of students, they just write whole sentences, which is already given in that para. But remember that thing, that try to reduce each sentence without losing its sense. So it's very important. Don't change the meaning of that given sentence or given para whenever you write the summary writing. Then remove examples and illustration, if any. Avoid repeated and unnecessary information. Use simple sentences. Use one word for a group of words wherever possible. So look at the one thing here, that one example or one sentence which is on smart board. Look at that. The person who leads India. For that whole phrase, for that whole sentence, we just use one word, that is India's captain. Okay, so India's captain, in the sense when we mention the person who leads the India, we can say in another word, that is the India's captain. Okay, search the keywords and join them with relevant words and reduce the passage up to one third. So I have already told you, it's you have to write the one third summary of that given para. And most important thing is that give the title to the summary considering the central idea of the passage. Most of the students, they just write a summary, then they don't give, we can say that the title, they don't give the title of that given para. So it's very, very important that while writing summary writing answer, you should give the title to your summary. Then and then that the examiner, he can come to know, he just come to know that the student is really good in summary writing, and he can say he just come to know that the student, he know about all such kinds of thing about summary writing. Okay, so it's very, very important. You should give the title of your summary. Okay, so there are some videos and which you will get with the help of Google. Okay, so look at these things. It is all about the summary writing. Again, I have already repeated that things, but you just read while studying that topic, that is the summary writing. So next point is some purpose of the summary writing. It's very important. Why we write a summary? What is the purpose of summary writing? The purpose of summary is to give the reader a clear objective picture or main ideas of the original text. It's very important. So that is why this is the purpose of summary writing. So these are the important things. Do this. I have already told you that thing. Read and reread the passage, understanding the content of passage, read the instruction, find exactly what you need to summarize, identify the main idea. So all such kinds of things which I have already told you. Remember that things, that is, don't do this. So we have to focus that thing also. Otherwise we will not get good marks. Include extra information. Don't do this. Exclude important details, add information, comment on the topic, give examples or statistics or dates. So there is no need to give all such kinds of information in your writing. Okay. So this is again the thing. Look at the feature of summary writing. Feature of good summary contains only main points of the text or lecture. It's very important. So what is the feature of good summary? So you just you just concentrate on that thing also, that contain only main points of the text of the lecture, no example, no detail such as dates, number, statistic. So these are the repetitions which I have already told you earlier. No describing words, definition, repetition, comparison, etc. Use of content words, connection of the core information with proper linking words or connectors. Okay, now own opinion or interpretation of summary writing. No use of quotation. I have already told you, and this is the one of the example. Okay, which is already given here, that write a summary of the following passage with the help of the given points, hints, suggest a suitable title. So such type of question which you have in a final exam. Look at these points. These are the points which is already in your question paper. With the help of question number 2a, that is unseen para. We have to develop our answer with the help of these points. That is okay. So that's the question. It is like, so I think definitely when you go through that thing, definitely you will get good marks. Let me conclude my lecture. Thank you very much.